Creating a luxurious bathroom is simply a matter of tweaking and adding textures. I've partnered up with Simplehuman to share some of my easy tricks to make your bathroom look and feel luxurious. Start with your bath towels. For years, I've always purchased my bath towels from JCPenney, but these are not just ordinary towels. These are quick dry towels. They are the absolute best in my opinion. They're 100% cotton, very soft, very absorbent, and they dry 30% faster than other towels. I just love them. You guys know how much I love using white towels and white bedding. It's classic, it can be bleached, they never fade, nor will they ever go out of style, and it adds that luxurious look and feel to any bathroom, no matter the color. Bump up your towel game by rolling them instead of folding them. And once you get the hang of it, it goes by really quickly, I promise you. First, fold down one of the corners into the center of the square. Fold the mirroring corner so that it meets the first corner into the center of the square. And then you're going to flip the towel onto its belly so that the two folded corners are facing down. And then start rolling from one end to the other tightly. And that's it. Don't get me wrong, I love a beautiful set of towels, and these towels are from Ross stores, and I've had them for over 8 years, but they are purely decorative. And another useful way to display your towels is of course using a towel bar. I recently changed our towel bar for hooks. IKEA has several styles to choose from. 2 come in a pack for only $9.99, and I think the hooks are better for hanging those huge bath sheets. And if you're on a budget, IKEA has bath sheets starting at $5.99. They even have larger ones for $9.99, and I also love that they come with a loop for easy hanging. Add a touch of extravagance to your bathroom by adding open shelving. I shared my Pottery Barn hack in our guest bathroom, and it's a total wow factor when our guests see it, and I will leave that link down below in case my newer followers missed it. Hand towels, bath salts in a decorative container for storing extra hand towels for our guests, a little plant life, and a candle that's discreetly disguised. I feel there's always ways to make efficient improvements in every inch of your home, including the shower. This is a double WallMount soap dispenser by Simplehuman, and it's perfect for eliminating that bottle clutter. There's 2 ways to install the dispenser. You can use a heavy-duty adhesive tape that comes with it by just peeling and sticking it to the surface, or you can mount it using screws like the Hubster did. Put the wall plate on, put the dispenser plates back in its place, and add your shampoo or body wash inside. The dispenser has a handy hook to hang your sponges or back brush. You can keep everything within easy reach, and you can get rid of all that bottle clutter in your shower. There's nothing worse than putting your makeup on in the wrong lighting. This is the 8-inch Sensor Mirror Pro 5x plus 10x dual magnification in rose gold by Simplehuman. This automatic Sensor Pro has true Lux light system that simulates natural sunlight. I love this mirror. So you can see the full color variation. It's 2 mirrors in one. The 5x magnification main mirror is great for your entire face, and the 10x magnification mirror attaches to the main mirror for tweezing and adding your lashes. Also has the automatic sensor on and off, so there's no fumbling with switches. The motion sensor detects when you're in front and the light automatically comes on, and when you're done, it turns off automatically. No batteries, no cords are needed. The mirror is rechargeable, and it can be used up to 5 times in a single charge. It also has smart features. You can tell Alexa to make the mirror light brighter, and you can manage your time by using the alarm feature. It flashes the lights to keep you on schedule. Apothecary jars is a simple way to store your bathroom storage. I've had these jars for years, and I've always loved the retro feel of them. Lately, I've been loving these argan oil bath bombs. I stocked up on several boxes there from TJ Maxx, and I placed a few inside my jars. This is such a simple and inexpensive way to add luxe to your bathroom. Bath mats seem just like another household item that we typically do not notice, but it's very necessary to have them. We have bath mats in all of our bathrooms for safety. They soak up any water from your feet when you're leaving the tub or shower, but you can also keep that look and that luxurious feel and add one to your bathroom. JCPenney has Egyptian cotton tub mats that are very soft and absorbent, and they have other colors, not to mention they are very affordable. Take your bath experience to a whole nother level of luxurious comfort and relaxation, and treat yourself to a 2-panel bath pillow. This pillow is contoured shape and it has 2 different panel designs that's 4 inches thick, and it supports your head, your neck, and your back, and it's mold resistant, and it's really easy to clean. The suction cups on the back ensures a really tight grip, so there's no slipping or sliding. Okay, so what's better than relaxing in a nice warm bath, reading a good book, enjoying a fantastic glass of wine, and burning your favorite scented candle all while you're in a bathtub? Yes, it's absolutely possible when you add a bathtub tray. About 3 years ago, I DIY'd this bathtub tray, and all I did was have the hubster cut me a piece of leftover wood we had in the shed, the width of our garden tub, and then I stained it. Luxury at its best, and it was free. I hope you all can implement some of my tips into your bathroom. I have a link down below in my description if you'd like to purchase a few of Simplehuman's products and so much more that they have on their website. And I want to thank you all for watching.